Particles dance, collide in grace. We are the sound the cosmos plays. Every rhythm, every spark writes creation in